Hello everyone, Ishita this side, admission manager of YourPedia Global. So recently a post was updated by Dr. Vijender on his LinkedIn ID, and friends, you won't believe that this particular post will give you a very important piece of information which most of you might be like, you will be like, I want to listen this particular information from past very like a long time. So let me tell you about this post. So specifically this post is regarding NTU and NUS Singapore. If you are willing to do your direct PhD from abroad, that means you have your BTech from a very good university, you have a GATE score, and if you have a research inclination and some good work in research. So friends, this opportunity is for you. If I talk about NTU and NUS Singapore, the QS ranking of NUS is around 8 and for NTU is around 15. So these both rank under top 20 like universities in abroad. And if I talk about NTU and NUS Singapore, you know that it's just 3 hours from India. You can go to Singapore. It's an English speaking country, and definitely if you are going there for doing your like direct PhD after your bachelor's, you can get around $2,500 to $3,500 in Singapore for doing your direct PhD. Okay, so I know many of you who are watching this video, they might be targeting you might be targeting your higher education from abroad. So this is a very good opportunity for you guys. The universities rank under top 20. One university has a rank of 5 and one has a rank of one has a rank of 8 and one has a rank of 15. So if I talk a little bit about this post, so this is a post which is posted by Dr. Vijender on his LinkedIn ID, and if you have not like connected with him on LinkedIn till now, just go connect with him, because he'll provide you with the best information regarding like India abroad opportunities which no one can provide you. And if I talk about this particular post, so you have a direct PhD option, and you know that only 3 countries give you direct PhD options: Singapore, Australia and US. Okay, like currently US is having a little bit like the updates are coming, like students like they are uncertainly not getting that much good stipend of doing their PhD from like US. So at this point of time, the Singapore professors, they are also giving a very good response to Indian students who are applying for these universities. From our YourPedia team, many students, they have tried to connect the professors, and definitely they have got a very good positive replies. So if you are also like willing to do your direct PhD, you have a good GATE score, you have a good BTech from a renowned university, you have research work with you, go apply for this particular position. And like it's a very good point that its proximity to India is a very good favorable factor. Post PhD job opportunities are on a very good level there, and you can get a very good scholarship, as I told you. So these if you want more information regarding this, you can connect with me. My number is given in the description. Friends, hurry up, the deadlines are upcoming for this NTU NUS. Most probably from June till August, the deadlines will be there for upcoming January intake. So hurry up, connect with me. I'll give you probably I'll give you the entire information regarding this, and you can make up your future by going to NTU NUS Singapore. Thank you so much.